Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Rest in peace, Kirstie Alley. Merry COOKMAS day 8. Guys, I'm almost losing track. It's only been a week, but I feel like it's been forever. But Merry COOKMAS day 8. Thanks for joining me again for another COOKMAS recipe. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a side dish that you can definitely take to the next holiday gathering, or if you just want to eat something by yourself and you love corn, this is going to be for you. I'm going to go ahead and make some creamy confetti corn. So yes, it's corn, and we're going to go ahead and just spruce it up a little bit to make it fantastic and fabulous like it always deserves to be. So if you guys are excited about this corn recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. Again, on that way to 2K. Thank you guys so much. But if you still aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so here is my creamy confetti corn. It's got that wonderful cream base with the corn, and we've got some bacon on top as well as some green peppers. It kind of reminds you of an elote corn, so to speak, but there's no mayonnaise in here, so it's slightly different, but it still has that same effect and wonderful taste. Of course, corn can be paired with so many different flavors. It's such a versatile vegetable. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this recipe. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video as well. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed the COOKMAS recipe. Share this video out. Again, we're on the road to 2K, baby. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you all. If you still aren't subscribed though, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of each and every time I drop a new video. You guys, happy holidays, take care, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.